micellar cleansing water on a cotton pad. I'm gonna clean face. I'm gonna use La Mer Moisturizing Soft Cream. Using Studio Finish Concealer from MAC. This is in shade NW40. Correct the situation I have going on here. Do the same thing here. Do the same thing. I'm going to use the Tia Tia Cushion Foundation. I'm not using the sponge. I will use a brush. This is in shade 40N. I'm going stamping motion like that. And it seems to be a good match. Okay, I'm going to use Sephora Lip and Cheek Tint to use my hand. I'm supposed to use this before the foundation because this is like a stain. It works better on the skin. But here we are. I forgot. I used the foundation before I remember. So let's see if we can still make it work, okay? Yeah, it's not bad, but it would have worked better on the skin. Okay, it looks like it's there, but it's not there. Kind of get rid of the base a little. But the beauty of it is to use it to stain the skin, then go over it with a little light layer of a skin tint. I'm gonna amp it up with this. A little of this go a long way. Cover it up here, and let's do a little on the nose. Bring it here like that. MAC Studio Finish Concealer. This is NW40 that I used initially, and this is NC40. Let's use this to tone down what I have going on there. Okay. Use a sponge to blend this gently and go over the blush. I'm going to use a little of NC40, which is a bit more brighter than my skin tone, just at the side of the under eyes, here like that. Do a little on this side as well. Highlight the nose on this side. Let's place a little more highlight concealer at the center. Sponge again one more time. Let's do the center of the face. I'm really not moving anything. I'm just pressing them where I place it. You know, no sweeping, no shifting. Everything is exactly where I place it. I'm going to quickly set the whole face with Natasha Denona Invisible HD Face Powder. It's a powder puff. I'm going to press it down. I feel like the shade is not right, but it's okay. It's workable. It's invisible powder, so it's really beautiful. Let's see. It's good. This is the side with the powder set. Use the same powder and go down. Be using the Natasha Denona Contour Sculpting Powder. I dab a little and I'm gonna dab it. I'm not going to sweep it. Dab a little more. Taking a smaller brush, I'm gonna dab a little contour. Let's do a little nose contour in here, mainly focusing this at the inner corner and slowly buff it to the nostrils. Then take it to the upper crease of the eyelid, just to make it look a bit more seamless and put together. Do the same thing here. Again, don't forget, focus on the inner parts and then buff it down to the nostrils like that. Let's quickly do the eyebrows and call it a day. So I'm going to use this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil, starting from the middle of the brows. Let's use concealer to clean up the brows. This is Clear Lash and Brow Gel from Essence. Use the concealer brush I used initially to kind of cancel any darkness around my eyelid. Alright, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. Let's start with the Bond shade here. Use this to set the concealer all over the lid. Take this shade and blend this back and forth at the outer crease and slowly take it to the inner corner. Back the initial brush and go back and forth. It looks like they are the same, but there's a little different. This one is more of this one has more of a packer punch than the other one. Take back the initial shade. I don't want a wind, so I'm trying not to wind it out, but my eyes is shaped like that. So Sephora Pro 29, I'm gonna take the darker shade. Let me blend this just at the outer corner like that, and use it so a little more, and deepen the outer corner and take it to the crease line. I'm going to use Jaclyn Hill brush number 37 and take the darker shade, gently blend in circular motion at the outer corner and slowly take it to the half part of the upper crease, and then fade it out into the inner corner in circular motion. How to do no eyeshadow then. I want to do serious eyeshadow look. Okay, let's do a little moist on the eyelid. I'm not taking additional product. I'm just using what is already in the brush. Using a concealer that is in a pot, kind of absorb into whatever brush you dip in. So I'm not taking additional products. And I blend at the outer corner like that, to blot the edges of the concealer in stamping motion, and slowly blend the edges at the upper crease. Okay? I don't want precise sharp line, so I'll use eyeshadow to fade it out so that the shimmer will place there will kind of blend in. Same thing here. That's enough. And place it at the half part of the outer lid. And go over the shimmer at the edges. Try to get it to look a bit more black. Place this one at the inner part, which is like, shouldn't be patchy. Come on. Okay, so this one kind of, and place it in stamping motion at the edges, and place it at the inner part and blend it in. It's actually blending in nicely. I'm going to use this eyeliner pencil from Essence. Let's use the Huda Beauty Haze Obsession Lip Bundle. Okay, let's put the shade is called Savage. Let's use ABH lip gloss over it. Let's use the Caudalie Beauty Alexa. Do a little Jaclyn Hill highlighter. A little, you already know. I can't do without my nose highlighter. I no longer use highlighter like I used to, but I just can't stop doing this particular one. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. See you after. Bye.